Thật sự. Hello guys, welcome back to our car, welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the best POV ride around the city. Have some hope, have some faith. Let's go! Yeah guys, look what I just find guys. Lamborghini Revuelto. Yeah, we'll show you guys in a bit. Wow. Nice guy. Yeah guys, I will sit and wait here until the owner come out and get a best clear POV shot of the Lamborghini Revuelto. Wish me the best of luck guys. Nice, Chimong Mega Mall. Wow guys, nice Ford Mustang is coming. Wow, beautiful guys. Great to see. Nice. Yeah guys, I see Mercedes AMG 63 is coming. Wow. Nice. Okay, I think the owner has come. Wow. Sound amazing guys. V12. Finally guys. Wow guys, we're about to leave the parking lot. Vâng, YouTube. Khai chính hơi rồi. Karisma ini apa bro? Ada juri kan? That's fine. Beautiful guys. Wow guys, oh there's some Mercedes. Wow, over there's a gorgeous 2026 BMW 5 Series guys. With this white color, followed by Aventador. Nice. Wow, followed by the new Tacoma TRD Pro. Wow, a nice BMW XM label guys. Nice, such incredible. Beautiful guys. Bye bye. Wow. Wow. Revuelto guys. Revuelto baby. So we will take a closer look at the Revuelto guys. Wow, wow, wow. Revuelto. Wow, Lamborghini Revuelto 2026 model guys. Nice BMW X6. X6 on performance guys. Wow. Look at that Revuelto guys. I will wait here till the owner come out. Hopefully the owner leave the parking lot too. Wish me the best of luck guys. Bye bye. YouTube. Bye.
Cảm ơn kênh video cái TikTok của thầy con ta của mình đã có. Lan này cái. YouTube của em. Người cái.
Cuma Ares hả?
Ares.
Bye. Got that beauty guys. Wow. Bye bye, Revuelto. Hello, mga kasama mo. Ako. Revuelto. Finally, we are at our second location. Rồi pin hút băng snow, guys. color, guys. Yeah, guys, let's sit and rest here a little bit. Hello, guys. Welcome back to our car. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the best POV ride around the city. Today is an awesome, exciting day. Yeah, guys, stay tuned. I just bought the Lamborghini Revuelto 2026 model with a diamond cut wheel, guys. Wow. I will show you guys later in this video. Stay tuned and wish me the best of luck there along the way. I'm going to see a lot of supercars along the way, so let's have some hope, let's have some faith. Let's go. Peace. Yeah, guys, let's continue to the next locations. Wish me the best of luck. Let's go. My BMW i3 Avatar lens. Yeah, guys, as I normally do, I will stop end my video here. Thank you guys for watching. Please drop a like, comment down below what kind of supercar you want to see in this video. I like the Aventador, gorgeous yellow Aventador SV. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.